Brunch for a 50-pound Border Collie. Today's meal is a one-pot goose leg stew with morel mushrooms, asparagus, and cod. The thawing time was too short. It's hard to cut. Steam in the pot for 20 minutes. Starting to prepare the meal. Baby bok choy. Golden kiwi fruit. Calcium citrate powder. Nutritional yeast powder. Iodine solution. Spleen strengthening powder. Duck liver and rabbit kidney jelly. Purple sweet potato jelly for carbohydrates. Sugar-free yogurt. Berries eaten every day. Decorative cookies. Duck meat waffle as a post-meal reward. Forgot to add the fresh food. Eating black-skinned Hello Kitty today. Bought so much fresh food that the freezer is full. Need to use it up quickly. Puppy's meal is ready. Finished eating. Bye-bye. See you next time.